Hello students, welcome to this ethics class. Today we will discuss 2019 6A. Again, before watching this video, you should have attempted the question beforehand so that you benefit more from the video and it will also save time. An unexamined life is not worth living, Socrates. So again, since ethics is a very subjective paper, you can write this answer in a number of ways. I have taken a scientific approach because I believe that scientifically this is true. This is a scientific definition. So I will explain. Let us see. The dead universe has no consciousness, hence it obeys laws of physics blindly. So whatever is not life, if we see, it has no consciousness, and that is how we define life. And so whether it is some stone or whether it is planets, they blindly follow laws of physics. So but life is characterized by something called consciousness and has characteristics beyond physics. So the definition of life itself means it has some consciousness and it doesn't follow laws of physics blindly. It has some consciousness and it can examine things. Life studies itself and also the universe that created it. So if we see, we are continuously trying to examine. We are just not following laws of physics blindly. We are trying to study math, physics, chemistry. We are trying to study biology. We are trying to study dark matter. We are also trying to study society, its relations, economy, etc. So if we see, we are continuously examining. We are continuously examining how we are living, what we are doing, what is the basis of all this, whether we are in a matrix. So we are continuously examining, and that is what is life. Life has consciousness and consciousness examines. So scientifically the definition of life itself means we have to examine. So when we are not examining anything and we are blindly following something, that means we have no life. That means it is not worth living. So that is what I feel the quotation means. Life itself means examination. Life itself means consciousness. So it is not mere physical existence. So that is why it is not mere materialism. It is beyond materialism. It is beyond physical existence. So there is significant difference between living and dead. According to Article 21, even right to life doesn't mean mere physical existence, but having all those aspects that make life meaningful and worth living. And also Article 21 has given effect to many rights. Thus life encompasses many things like values, social relations, social respect, relations with environment, creativity and many other things. Thus all these show that the definition of life has improved significantly, and this also based on examination and re-examination of life itself. So even the definition of life has changed significantly. And how did the definition change? That definition again changed based on examination and re-examination of life itself. So without this examination, there isn't much difference between living and dead, making unexamined life not much worth living. So this is how I write answer. It comes to around 132 words. So scientifically, an unexamined life is not worth living. Again, in ethics, you can write answers in a number of ways, and that is why ethics is important. That is why examining our life is important, because it enriches life, it increases life. That is why ethics is gaining more and more relevance. If it has no relevance, then there is no point in discussing. So to enrich our life, to increase the life in ourselves, we need to examine things, and ethics is one of the ways of examining things. So that is all. Thank you.